the Sealey heat shrink butt connector with crimp and solder. These include a ring of solder in the centre of the terminal, which allows the user to crimp the terminals for mechanical reliability, then create a solder joint for added strength and conductivity. Simply insert your cable, then crimp the terminal. Heat the terminal to solder the joint and heat shrink at the same time, and the job is complete. They're supplied in packs of 25 terminals to fit cable sizes from 16 through to 24 AWG. The Sealey heat shrink butt connectors with crimp and solder. Quick, strong and very conductive.